Hey, hi, Roland.
Hey Amri,
Hi, how are you today?
good. How are you?
How about good? How about good? How about?
Yeah, how about good? How about good?
Okay, I know you want to learn my language so badly, right? And I think I have a lot of comment last night. This is what they told me. If you want to learn quick, that means you have to eat two of my the most like almost everybody at Chinese, they have those kind of food at home.
Okay.
Okay, this we call Pliek. This we call Asam Sunti. Nyo Buleukat Tekrabe. Alright? Let me talk in Aceh, make sure my friend knows.
Okay.
Okay, rakanyo ini Meureuno bahasa Aceh kalih bulian hanji je. Jadi nak komen pada mudah bawa beklam i pegah hiu pajuh asam Pliek. Asam Pliek ngan empat Buleukat Tekrabe ngan ngan pesiju. So, if you want you can try now. Try,
Okay,
yeah,
this one first.
yeah, try Pliek first. Yes. Yeah, try. Yeah, don't. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah.
Magnat Pliek.
Mangat Pliek kan?
Mangat Pliek.
Okay, Pliek mangat. You can try asam sunti. Ci pajuh asam sunti je no. Ci pajuh asam sunti.
Magnat Pliek.
Asam sunti be Pliek tapi. Ci pajuh okay, pajuh ju. Pajuh ju ya.
Oh man,
Mangat.
cukup bak masam kating pungut kim.
Cukup berat masam katem pengekai pega. So okay. That you gonna learn very you gonna learn very fast. That's okay. Yeah, hey, eat it up. That's okay. Okay. Nyo Buleukat Tekrabe. Keep aja ya. Bacun dah. Sticky rice. That's a sticky rice. Yes. Nya lagi yang pajo yang hiu Aceh. Nya dam darah baru tu bawa Aceh. Good? Ya. Yeah. Okay. Terima kasih. Look. Okay, terima kasih. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you Amri.
I'll see you on the next class. Tamu rumpa bak kelas selanjutnya. Next week. Okay? Bye. Today I brought some food from home.
Okay.
Alright. We call these kuah tohe. We call these kuah tohe. Cameraman, I want to explain. This is a sticky rice.
Okay.
We call the Buleukat adang rice, sticky rice. Yeah. And this what they call coconut milk.
Okay.
Right? And we have bananas.
Nice.
And we have a jackfruit, bopana, right? And this is pisang. So, in our, history, we call this is Sultan food or Penaju Raja, what we have. So, I don't know if you want, you can try,
Okay.
right? In my language, they said, Hana taturi makaji hana tasayang, right? When you know more and more about our cultures, maybe you know what I mean? Who knows, you're gonna like it, right? Okay, we're gonna try just a little bit for you right now, Mr. Asam Sunti. Okay. Right? And then, you wanna me to put a banana?
Yeah.
Okay, just a little bit for you, okay? If you like it. Okay. Now, Mr. Asam Sunti,
Do I need to mix it?
moment the truth. Yeah.
I need to mix it.
No, you don't need to mix it.
No, like this?
Yeah, you
Ready
can.
to
Yeah,
eat?
you try it. Yeah, moment the truth. Yeah. Smell good. Smell banana. Yeah. Moment the truth.
Wow.
Gimana?
Manggatat. Save mama.
Wow.
Wow.
Mangatat. Save mame.
Wow, manggatat save mama.
Jadi lu petang macam mata Aceh, nyok kuah tuhe. Mesti mandum tayo dah tepu nyok kuah tuhe. Yang penaju raja lah. Biasa dia oleh kemeko tepun di belang. Jadi memang mangat. Ya, memang mangat. Mangat.
Wow, manggatat save mama.
Mangatat save
Wow,
mame, right?
love it.
You see? Ya, ibu noi tanyang. Ya, ibu noi tanyang mungkin. Ya, ibu noi tanyang takut macam ataupun masin lagi bro nyalum. Good. You can take some more. Okay? Yeah, I heat it up. Okay, I'm gonna heat it up. Yeah, if you want, you can take some more. Hey, ada apa juh nyan? Nyan on the kapulot. No, we don't eat those. That's pandan leaf on the kapulot.
Okay.
Bek dapat juh nyan. Nyo mentang bulam.
Anyway.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. So good. I'm gonna eat this one.
Yeah, take it. Okay.